Welcome to India. India is a diverse country with a rich history and culture. New Delhi, the capital city; Mumbai, the financial capital of India; Bengaluru, the tech hub of India. Welcome to the famous landmarks of India, a country rich in history and culture. First, we have the Taj Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most recognizable structures in the world. This iconic monument, built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, is renowned for its stunning architecture and historical significance. Next, we visit the Red Fort, an iconic symbol of India's history and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This majestic fort, constructed by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, stands as a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the nation, showcasing the grandeur of Mughal architecture. Now let's delve into the heart of Indian culture, a rich tapestry woven with history, tradition, and diversity. India is known for its vibrant festivals and traditions, each with its own unique significance and charm. Celebrations like Diwali and Holi bring communities together in a burst of color and joy, symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil. And of course, Indian cuisine is famous for its diverse and flavorful dishes, reflecting the country's vast regional variety. From spicy curries to delicious samosas, the culinary landscape of India is as varied as it is delightful, offering a sensory journey that tantalizes the taste buds and warms the soul. As we wrap up our journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible diversity and beauty of India. This vast country is a tapestry of cultures, languages, and traditions, each adding its own unique flavor to the rich mosaic that is India. From its breathtaking landscapes, ranging from the majestic Himalayan mountains to the serene backwaters of Kerala, to its warm and welcoming people who embody the spirit of hospitality, India truly is a land of wonder. The architectural marvels like the Taj Mahal, the intricate temple designs, and the diverse wildlife in its national parks all contribute to its allure. Thank you for exploring India with us. We hope you have enjoyed this glimpse into the heart of a nation that celebrates life in all its forms. We hope this journey has inspired you to discover more about this amazing country, its vibrant festivals, mouth-watering cuisine, and the timeless traditions that make India truly unique.